When you come to Grand Tetons and you do the Taggart Lake Beaver Creek Loop, it's about a 5 miles all the way around. But if you go to the right instead of the left at the beginning, you will have a much easier incline on the way back.
We can always stay a little longer. We don't have a plan. Just let me live a little younger than I really am. We've got nothing here to save us from ourselves. Let's live life like it's made up, jump in the wishing well. We are wanderers, nothing can stop us. We are wanderers, nothing can stop us. We are wanderers, nothing can stop us.
Hey you guys! Thanks for joining us on another journey. Today,
we are on the Taggart Lake Beaver Creek Loop Trail at the Grand Teton National Park in Wyoming.
This is April, and I'm Wayne. So sit back, relax,
and enjoy the journey.
Where are we at, April?
Your mom's house, Wayne.
No way. Big Hole Bagel and Bistro. It's in Driggs, just outside of Jackson.
Oh,
I can see that. So what's yours?
It's a cinnamon raisin French toast bagel.
And then I got good looking omelet. I just bit into this bagel with cream cheese. This is about the best cream cheese I've ever had. It's a veggie cream cheese. It's so fresh with real vegetables in it. Omelet is actually really amazing. I got sausage, spinach, and mushrooms, and cheese. What do you think about your French toast?
It's interesting.
Different, huh?
Yeah, I like it.
We are wanderers, nothing can stop us. We are wanderers, nothing can stop us.
So we're here at Taggart Lake Trailhead in Tetons National Park. Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Wonderful.
I love that sticky geranium.
What's the name of it?
Sticky geranium?
Sticky geranium. This one I heard?
Oh yeah?
Yeah, sticky geranium.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
It's really pretty.
Where'd you, you know all the flowers around here? Or?
I used to be a lot better. My dad was
Look
the
at
expert.
you. You're like professional flower people.
No, I just forget the names, so I have to look them up. But there's a few that we always remember. But
We actually
Right on.
transplanted some of this into our yard in Salt Lake.
Oh
It
yeah?
grows great. Oh.
We live in Salt Lake too.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
and it's called sticky geranium because it actually later on in the
It
year
is really sticky.
it gets sticky, and actually if there's cottonwood stuff around, it cottonwood
Grabs it?
Grabs it,
I
yeah.
hate the cottonwoods.
Or it grabs the cottonwood.
Those cottonwoods get you every time.
Yeah.
This is all we ever wanted. Feel the calm within. Don't let the past become our struggles. We will never win. Don't wanna feel suffocated. Time to break the chains. Give in to all your temptations and just run away.
What's nice about this trail is it's pretty well groomed. It's pretty flat. I mean, there's some boulders every once in a while, but for the most part, it's an easy hike. A little bit of elevation gain, but not too much. I think it's about 500 foot.
I love how the clouds almost skew the lighting on the peaks so that it's like they're almost like being illuminated or they're glowing.
Oh
I
yeah.
don't know how to describe it, but it's just like we were talking about yesterday with the light. It's so cool how light can just change something.
Wait, in the sky. Look at the sky. It's just like such a different blue than normal, you know, like our normal Salt Lake would.
Because it's clean air.
Not polluted.
We're out in the wide open country.
I love the sound of the Tweeties with the wind. Nothing like the sound of Mother Nature. Except for when they're tweeting outside my window at 5 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah. 4:30. And that's the thing, you try and capture it on pictures and
Just doesn't do
just
it.
doesn't do it justice.
Oh wow.
Roll. Go.
Oh, that's so low.
Oh man, this is magnificent.
We are wanderers, nothing can stop us. We are wanderers, nothing can stop us. We are wanderers, nothing can stop us. We are wanderers, we are wanderers, we are wanderers, we are wanderers.
Where's the nest?
Right here, that holes.
In that hole there?
Yeah.
Oh my God, that was awesome.
Did you get it?
I did, I think. Hello, April.
Hello, Wayne.
What are you doing out here in the woods?
Well, currently, I'm not in the woods.
This definitely ain't downtown.
Yes, but these aren't the woods. Those are the woods. We're in the open.
We're in the Magnificence. I know, I was looking at it.
Behold.
Behold.
Can you imagine being a discoverer of some of this, amazing country
Oh yeah,
all around us?
back in the day.
Long, long time ago, yeah.
What is that?
What is it? Is it too blurry?
I don't know. I have no idea what that is. If you know what this is, comment below. What to stop for?
So I'm just waiting for them to.
Y'all ready to move?
No hurry.
You no hurry?
Come on.
You give us an excuse to take
The
a break.
the people going up get the right of way.
Yep, that's actually the hiking rule. What's your final thoughts on Taggart Lake?
It's a beautiful hike.
Well worth it. We did the full 5 miles. Highly suggest it. So we started out here and go around. If you go this way, it's about 3 miles or so to Taggart Lake. And if you come up this way, it's a little bit uphill for just this little area, and then it's all downhill the whole way. So my suggestion is start out and go this way. Otherwise, you're going uphill for 5 miles for a long ways. This whole loop is actually 5 miles roughly. Oh, son of a motherless goat!
You gotta watch where you're going.
We're out here at Targhee Lake Trailhead.
Taggart.
Oh,
Lake.
dang it. Never know where I'm at.
Hey, you guys.
Thanks for joining us on another journey. Today, we're in not North Dakota. We want to thank you guys for watching our video all the way to the end. If you would, hit that subscribe button, share it with a friend, and like always, thank you for living life. See you next Thursday.